This is the start of all of these units, all of the dash and the side pods. This is going to be the passenger side, we call them side pod, right next to the seat. I do have on the end here, so this is the relief. This is all going to be removed. This curve right here is actually the curve of the inside door. This is going to stick around because I'd like it to come a little bit deeper into the fender well, but it'll be all removed up to this point, and then this radius will be drawn down all the way to the other end. I'll start on this side right here. So all that would be, that way it just comes in really nice and tight, so it'd be nice and sturdy.